Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn vowels, letter, and sound with Sir Ahmad.
This is vowel A for apple. This is vowel E for elephant. This is vowel I for ink. This is vowel O for octopus. This is vowel U is for umbrella. Let's sing vowel song with Sir Ahmad.
A is for apple, apple. E is for elephant, elephant. I is for igloo, igloo. O is for octopus, octopus. U is for umbrella, umbrella.
So for the exercise today, first you need to write your name in front of the book and open to page 1 and write the day and the date and read the instruction carefully. The instruction is color the vowels letter. You need to color the vowels letter on page 1 and complete it. You need to color the vowels letter, all of the vowels letter. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, for the second exercise today, you need to open the exercise book and write the day and the date, page 1, and you need to write A, E, I, O, U and complete it. That's all.